Alright, what is going on YouTube? Back bringing you guys another video. I know it's been a really long time since I made a video on my channel, and I'm sorry for that, guys. I've been really busy at work during the week, but I have something new to share with you guys, something new for the channel. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it is. Alright guys, here it is. I got a new daily. Let's go. This is a 1991 Civic hatchback DX. Just picked it up yesterday. I just give it a wash and a clean on the inside. This is exactly how the car sits currently, like cleaned and everything. So you can see some decal residue on the hood and all over the paint there. If you guys have any recommendations of what to use to take that off, that would be great, because this is like embedded into the paint now. It seems like faded in there. But yeah, it's definitely not perfect, but it's honestly not that bad. Doesn't really have any rust on it except for this one little spot right here, which is why I got it, but I'm gonna have to take care of that before it starts to spread for sure. But yeah, that little spot right there. Side shot. Go ahead, shoot the inside. See, I just gave it a nice vacuum and everything, so inside is pretty clean so far for what I can do for today in a little bit of time. Has a nice Momo wheel, 5-speed. It's currently gutted, so it just has the front half, and then the back has been gutted, as you can see. Pretty lightweight. This thing's, it just feels light, so it's pretty fun to drive. Alright guys, so here we are under the hood here. I am pretty sure this is a D15B. I'm not entirely too sure. I'm trying to get the code of the engine and see what's up with that. But yeah, the motor has 130K on it, supposedly. Body has like 200K on it. Pretty much stock, nothing too crazy. Like, you know, stock intake manifold there. Has a AEM intake. DC headers, and I'm pretty sure it has a test pipe. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have cats, but a cat. But yeah, it's a pretty fun little car for a daily, honestly. Drives pretty good. I'm just gonna start to do some maintenance on it. I just wanted to make this video, you know, introduce you guys to the car, because this is gonna be my daily now. Really good on gas, and a car you just drive and don't have to really worry too much about. So that's why I picked this up. Definitely going to start doing some maintenance, oil change, manual transmission fluid change, all that, spark plugs, and just get this car in good running shape so it can serve me well as a good daily. Here we are in the interior. Have a Momo Racing Line wheel. Radio has been removed, but I have it like right there. It came with the car. I have no idea. This wiring is kind of like a mess. Probably gonna have to look up like a plug and play harness that's just ready to go, and get like a new head unit and everything. It has some speakers installed already, so I guess that's a plus, but just need a head unit, so let's get that. 5-speed. These seats are pretty comfortable, not gonna lie. It's good for a daily. I honestly really like the driving position. It's like you have great visibility. I like that on the front windshield. It's like see the road perfectly. See that little EF hatch right there. Look at that. It's pretty dope. A little EF race car. Let me go ahead and give you guys a start. And yeah, car started up. Give you a little rev. So yeah, definitely gonna do some maintenance and make sure everything's good with the car, guys. I just want it to serve me well as a good daily. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and I'm also gonna add in a crazy clip that happened to me today. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.